Wadonja ne weche mag tuke ni team mar Bunge FC kotel negi captains mar Aaron Cheruyot gi Otiende Amolo notelo ne jotugo mamoko moko misoma alap ma Ulinzi Complex kaka yor chiwo luor ne jatend jolweny mosenindo Francis Ogolla.
He was here with us, trained alongside. He had his annual fitness checks and said hi to us in his usual manner. It's sad that we never met after that, but we thank him for the opportunity that he granted us as Bunge FC to be using this facility. We pray that may God grant comfort to his family, his military and both nuclear family and the extended family from where he came from.
We lit candles, we came here by 5:30, we did special prayers, and we also observed a minute of silence for him. We pray that in the fullness of time, we may know after the investigations promised by the President exactly what happened. We pray that his soul may know eternal peace.